Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So today I'm making jalapeno poppers, bacon ranch jalapeno poppers. I know, right? Oh my word, guys. These are so good, and they are super easy to make. They only use a few ingredients, so let me show you. So what I have here is 6 jalapenos. I'm going to be slicing them in half and then removing the veins and the seeds. I also have 6 slices of bacon, and then I have an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and 1 tablespoon of a dry ranch dressing mix. I have placed my cream cheese in a mixing bowl. I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese and my cheddar cheese and my ranch seasoning mix. And then I'm just going to mix this together. And I find that using a spoon works really good when removing the veins and the seeds from the jalapeno. Anytime that you are working with jalapenos or any kind of hot pepper, please make sure that you wash your hands really good when you're finished. You can even wear gloves, and do not, I repeat, do not touch your face or anywhere around your eyes, because you're gonna know it, and it would be a tragedy. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm just going to slice my bacon in half. So my jalapenos and my bacon are ready. Now I'm just going to fill these jalapenos with my cream cheese mixture. All of my jalapenos are filled and rolled with the bacon, and then I have placed them on a sheet tray that I have lined with aluminum foil, and then I've placed this cooling rack on top. This will make sure that my bacon gets nice and crispy in the oven. So now I'm going to bake these in a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. I really do wish that you could smell these jalapeno poppers. They smell delicious. I cannot wait to eat them. So I'm going to transfer them from this baking tray to this serving platter here. And I have a little bit of ranch dressing for dipping. I like to dip, but you do you. If you don't have to. They're delicious all on their own, but I like to dip things. Just saying. So you have to admit that this plate of jalapeno poppers is looking pretty good. But I have got to give a sample, and I'm dipping it in this ranch. I'm a dipper. Those are so good, guys. They're fantastic. The scary thing is I could probably eat about half of these. They are that good. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes. I'm not a double dipper though. Not a double dipper, just saying.